Salam! Today we're going to be making Pakistani scrambled eggs, Khageena. Khageena is commonly eaten for breakfast. Growing up, I would typically eat it on weekend mornings. Often, scrambled eggs can come out dry and rubbery, but we're going to cook this fast to make sure we get a nice, soft, creamy scramble. You're going to need 2 to 3 eggs, 1 tablespoon unsalted butter or ghee, half a diced yellow onion, 1 diced roma tomato, 1 to 2 sliced serrano peppers. If you want to make it spicier, you can always do Thai chilies. And for garnish, a handful of chopped cilantro. 1 teaspoon red chili powder, salt, and pepper. First, crack the eggs in a small bowl. Add pepper to taste, and whisk until combined, like this. In your pan, add the ghee and melt until shimmering on medium-high. Add red chili powder and cook for a minute to activate its flavors, but make sure not to burn it. Add the onion, don't forget to salt, and cook for 2 to 3 minutes to sweat them out for a bit. Add the tomato and green chilies and cook for a couple minutes. Turn the stove to low, then pour in your eggs. Now we're going to work fast as it's all going to come together quickly. With a spatula, alternate with continuously agitating the eggs with taking the pan on and off. If you see the bottom of the egg set, then take the pan off and mix before putting it back on the stove. When it gets to this consistency, turn off the heat, add the cilantro, and mix throughout. Alright, Bismillah! You get the spiciness from the peppers and the red chili powder, balanced with the tomato. But best of all is the creaminess you get from cooking the eggs quickly.